Alright, Master Designers, welcome back. Tonight we're gonna draw one of the main enemies from Dragon Ball Heroes. And beyond Dragon Ball Super. A new transformation called Berserker Gas. The leader of the Heaters. Berserker Gas is basically the leader of the enemy tribe called the Heaters, who tricked Granola into thinking that the Saiyans work for Frieza. Another thing about Berserker is that he has tusks sticking out of his forehead.
Can you hear a voice that gives out a cry? I'll trust the valor you've got inside. All are trapped, their freedom gone in the war. Lost from the future that's just beyond the door. Break out of prison with a slam, slam, slam. No problem even in a damn, damn, damn.
We jump to action with a bam, bam, bam.
Might burst from all the scene, let's get sparking. First we're getting pumped, then we clash. Winning in the rap, then we laugh. All
This is hair.
passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the close one that nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Now we let the thrills fill the room. Hearts are gonna beat with a boom.
After that you'll understand this horizon never ends. If we lose a fight, I admit it's okay to cry, just a bit, but we'll keep on going forward, burning brightly to the core, always energized for the goal. Legends never die, so we won't. Are you ready to achieve that amazing victory? First we get pumped, then we clash, winning in the rap, then we laugh. All this passion underneath is my newfound energy. Focusing for sure, sight is set through the universe and its threats. My heart's dancing to its beat as we're heading for the ring. It's a tale of the cause one that nobody knows. Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
There we go. There's his torn clothes. Here we go. And there we go. That's how you draw Berserker Gas, whatever he is. Anyhow, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below on which character you want me to draw next in the Dragon Ball playlist, and I'll get back to you. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.